What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you saw the last video, but we kind of are doing a two-parter. So the last one we did came out good if you want to check that video out. But here's the next one. So we're over at Berge Chevrolet. We got a 2012 Cruze. So you can see what he wants done here is this fender here. So you can see it's a pretty bad shot, but this is a cheap car. They just want it looking better. Again, I'm kind of stuck in one of those positions where I'm not going to do the best I should be doing, but we'll make it look good so they can get it on the lot, sell it. You could see on the back door here too, it's pretty kinked in here, paint missing, as you can see. So I'm not touching this in the quarter here. They're going to send that to the body shop. They just want to get that all painted and fixed, and I think something's broken with the handle or something like that. So again, we'll take you through the process. We'll take this inside. It's a little cold out here. It's nice and sunny, but it's pretty cold here right now. So we'll get this inside and start working on it, and we'll take you through the process as we normally do and see how it turns out. All right, so we got the car inside here. As you can see, we got it set up here. Not sure how I'm gonna approach this one yet. I think we might just throw a glue tab on there, pull out the deepness, then we'll start working it with the metal rods, go right up through here. It's a little tight up here with the window, but we might go down through there as well. Again, this is one of those ones, we're not gonna spend a whole lot of time on it. He just wants it better so they could get it on the lot. I mean, this car's pretty nasty. Otherwise it has some pretty big stuff all around it. You can see on the quarter here, it's all messed up. The door, you could see on the trunk here, some bad previous PDR work done on the trunk. Looks like there was a big crease there, so it's dinged up and messed up all around. You can see around this handle is all messed up. But again, if they want to get it on the lot, get the majority of the stuff out, make it look nice so it can get out on the lot and up for sale. So we'll help them out with that, see what we could do, and we'll start working. Like I said, I just turned the glue gun on, so I'll probably glue pull that first, and then we'll just start playing with the metal that way. So let's get going. So not sure if you saw in the video, but if you get a closer look, the paint did crack on this. So it kind of like did a little split. I don't know if you could see that in the camera here. But again, as I was working it, just pushing, and then all of a sudden the paint cracked. So sometimes you just don't know. I was working it slow, I was taking my time, I heated it up, but sometimes that happens. So we're gonna keep going on it. We'll just take it slow. Keep heating it up, and we don't want to crack the paint anymore. Like I said, this is an older car, it's a used car. They just want it looking better, but still we don't want that paint getting all messed up. So we'll keep going. we're all finished up. The dent came out good. Like I mentioned, we kind of cracked the paint there a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. It's not really noticeable or anything. You can see it here. All in all, it came out really nice. They should be happy with it. I don't know if you can see that paint split a little bit, but it still looks good. Again, it's a 10-year-old car. They want it looking better for the lot. That's what we did for them. That's one of the things working on these older cars. Not that you know, don't want to take your time, but you know what they kind of expect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Even though I want to do the best job I can, we'll make it look good, get it out on the lot for them so they can sell it. Even a customer, I think, would be happy with that. But it's all stuff you have to take into consideration, taking on jobs, what it's costing, and what the final result's going to be. But it looks good. It came out nice. It's a lot better than some of the other parts of the car, so I think they should be happy with it. Hopefully you liked the video of part 2. We were pretty much here half a day, I guess, so if you can, like, subscribe. I'll do some more videos. I know it's been about a week or so since I did a video. Just been busy, you know, in general with life. But we'll get some more videos up for you, and we'll catch you next time, and we'll see you then.